Hi everyone, it's Sarah Stevenson here. I am the Research and Instruction Librarian that serves the Portland Seminary. And today what I wanted to talk with you about is how to book an appointment with me. The first step to making an appointment with me is to come to the library's homepage, library.georgefox.edu. Once you're there, you'll locate the How Do I section and click on Contact a Librarian. On this page, you'll see information about Library Research Help Services and the different librarians that you can meet with. To schedule an appointment with me, you'll go ahead and click Make an Appointment, select Sarah Stevenson, and then you'll choose a day and time that works with your schedule. Once you've selected your day and time to meet with me, it will take you to this Make an Appointment form, where you're going to enter your name, email, program, some context about your research question or topic, and you'll choose where you'd like to meet with me. Once you've chosen either my office or an appointment online, you'll click Confirm Appointment, and you'll receive an email letting you know that your appointment has been booked. If you'd like to meet with me at the Portland Center, send me an email to sstevenson@georgefox.edu, and I'll arrange a time to meet with you there. Let me know if you need anything throughout your time here at Fox. I'm happy to help you out. Have a great day.